अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। उम्मीद है तमाम दोस्त ठीक ठाक होंगे। एक बार फिर से आप तमाम दोस्तों की खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ दोस्तों। थैंक यू ऑल ओवर माय डियर फ्रेंड, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग एंड वंस अगेन आई टेल यू द न्यू प्रोजेक्ट गेट लाइव NAM नेम प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू। दोस्तों एक बार फिर से आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ एक नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ, गेट लाइव नेम NAM प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू के ऊपर। इसी पर आपसे आज बात करेंगे। हमने पहला प्रोजेक्ट भी किया था और आप दोस्तों का शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि उस टाइम भी आपने मुझे ज्वाइन किया और अभी भी आप ज्वाइन करें। इंशाल्लाह आपको तमाम तर मालूमात इस प्रोजेक्ट के हवाले से दूंगा। थैंक यू वंस अगेन फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय डियर फ्रेंड क्रिप्टो चैंपियन एंड अदर फ्रेंड, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। आप दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया। गेट यूजर फ्रेंड आपका भी शुक्रिया। लेट्स स्टार्ट द प्रोजेक्ट वंस अगेन। तो दोबारा स्टार्ट करते हैं दोस्तों आज का अपना प्रोजेक्ट। दूसरा प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर हम बात कर रहे हैं गेट विल एंटिटी लिस्ट NAMDA NAM spot trading stake GT USDT NAM and launch pool to the earn NAM Horley. Thank you Gate user friend Monte Carlo, thank you so much Monte Carlo, Monte shoes वाले, thank you so much for joining Monte, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया। So let's once again start dear friend। सरमत खान, थैंक यू। द क्वाइट जेबडू, आपका भी शुक्रिया। गेट विल लिस्ट NAMDA NAM for the spot trading at 1000 on June 19, 2025 UTC. To reward our user, you can stake GT USD NAM in the NAM launch pool to earn 1428572 NAM airdrop for free with the reward distribute every hour. Thank you so much, आपका शुक्रिया बहुत बहुत। showing, thank you showing 111, thank you so much showing and get your friend, thank you so much। The next one, the NAMDA NAM spot trading start June 19, 2025 1 UTC deposit NAM now trade NAM USD market via, आगे उसका आई हुई हेल्पलाइन देख सकते हैं आप। The next, the NAMDA launch pool phase 1 June 17, 2025 at 13 June 19, 2025 at 13 UTC. Total staking reward 230000 NAM. Thank you once again 4W। Thank you 4W। तो आगे चलते हैं दोस्तों, स्टॉक टू अर्न की जानिब चलते हैं। फेज नंबर 2 19 2025 at 13 and July 9, 2025 at 13 UTC. Total staking reward 1198572 NAM। एक बार फिर से शुक्रिया दोस्तों आपका। चलते हैं आगे की जानिब, स्टेक टू अर्न की जानिब चलते हैं। थैंक यू वंस अगेन। तो आप देख सकते हैं दोस्तों मेरा आज का एक बार फिर से नया प्रोजेक्ट NAMDA इज द composable privacy layer of the multiple chain. It is a proof of stake layer 1 blockchain that the protects user personal data by the providing a shield assets head at the enable shield head cross chain instruction. NAMDA is a capable of the supply assets can the use to redundant data platform to the extending chain drops token and NFT primary but result NAMDA use complete the concept and the IBC blockchain competition। थैंक यू आपका एक बार फिर से शुक्रिया। द सरमद खान द शोगाही, थैंक यू शोगाही। द प्राइमरी बिल्ड रिजल्ट NAMDA use the built competition protocol to maintain interoperability but can be upgraded to the support additional ecosystem beyond IBC by the leading edge advanced cryptograph standards like ZK Snake and the potential for the interoperability. NAMDA postation left as a useful cryptograph private for user to the private their on-chain data while they interpreted with the wide weight of their blockchain protocols. Thank you so much. This is the NAM. Thank you so much for joining dear friend. The beginner, the quit, the Gate user Muiz once again joining Muiz, thank you। The Gate poll now total staking reward 6000000 NAM and the participation 7526, individual staking cap VIP 2000 GT. Now the token stake GT and price pool Harley cap 1250 NAM. Thank you. The dad shake. Thank you. The mining period 20 days and reward history. The total staking 2001508.38 GT, and now the individual 87.59. Thank you. This is the GT pool and now NAM pool. The NAM pool now total staking reward 398572 and the participation 4329. The total staking NAM and the price pool Harley cap 830.35 NAM, and now mining days 20 days, individual 107.94 and total staking 3184400.72 NAM. Thank you once again, RF Farm. They show the gate user. Thank you so much. Now the APR 311.84%. The next one USD pool. Thank you. Total staking reward 2000000 NAM, participation 482. The total stake USD. The price Harley cap now 416.66 NAM. Mining date 20 date, individual Harley cap 62.49% and total staking 1009356.64, APR 25.71. आपका शुक्रिया दोस्तों। तो ये था इसका पूल। अभी हम चलते हैं ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट की जानिब और आपको वेबसाइट विजिट कराते हैं। थैंक यू गेट यूजर द क्विट डिबोट। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर क्यूट डिबोट। और आप ये देख सकते हैं आपके सामने मौजूद है your gateway your gateway your way gateway to the your gateway to the आगे चलते हैं shield your gateway to shield it and multi-chain. Thank you so much once again. Your gateway to the shielded multi-chain. Thank you so much for joining dear friend. तो ये इसकी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट आपके सामने मौजूद है। आगे चलते हैं दोस्तों, आप देख सकते हैं ए न्यू ईयर ऑफ शील्डेड multi-chain intersection. Thank you Gate user Arif Khan, Sita and Moro. Thank you Proto and Muhammad Amin. Thank you Amin, आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। अब फर्स्ट टाइम मैं आपको वेलकम करता हूं अमीन। The NAMDA is the shielded asset HUB rewarding you to protect the multiple chain. Thank you Sita. The next one dear friend, start shielding. Thank you. The next one, NAMDA deliver a plug and play praying layer for Web3. Enable user to protect their personal data when using their favorite assets, digitalization application and blockchains. Thank you once again my lovely friend, shukriya aapka. Now once again you see the NAMDA groundbreaking approach of fair user, the ability to choose between the transparent and shaded balance and the action. Reward for the strongation, the shaded set by the seeding asset. Thank you so much once again gear user the destroy. Thank you destroy. The next one reward for the हो गया। तो नेक्स्ट वन चलते हैं दोस्तों, और ये आप देख सकते हैं आपके सामने मौजूद है NAM की वेबसाइट पे हम भी मौजूद हैं और ये ग्राफ भी मौजूद है। थैंक यू वंस अगेन। नाउ द अनफेड shaded set. Yes, once again the consolidated assets format across offered blockchain into a single shaded asset. The NAMDA unpaid shaded set is the capable of supporting any asset and enable shaded cross chain introduction. Thank you once again, आपका शुक्रिया। तो ये वेबसाइट है, ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट है NAM की दोस्तों। Get rewards for the shielding your assets. Thank you so much मुजफ्फर रहमानी, एक बार फिर से शुक्रिया। NAMDA rewards you for helping protect the multiple chain ecosystem by the keeping our asset in the shaded set. You help strengthen NAMDA data protection, granted implies provision reward in the real time for your valuable पार्टिसिपेशन। बेहद शुक्रिया। तो दोस्तों आप देख सकते हैं हमारा आज का टॉपिक है गेट लाइव एनएएम प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू के ऊपर हम बात कर रहे हैं। द शेल्डेड एक्शन फॉर द क्रॉस चैन डेफी। थैंक यू सो मच Sadat, thank you Sadat. Sarah, double one, double two, Sarah, thank you so much, Sarah. The next one, the shaded action for the cross chain. Name the shaded action enables you to the engage in the cross chain digitalization finance while the shielding your personal identificationable information, use data setting, save even the interaction with the transparent blockchain and applications. Thank you. The remain in the shaded set, enjoy constitutional and the source cross the introduction. तो देख सकते हैं आप NAM, IBC, interoperability. Lambda is interrogation with the PC protocol ensure is a seamless connection across consumer blockchain and beyond. The support for the additional ecosystem like Ethereum and Solana is coming soon. Thank you once again, Sarah. Destroy the glittery MI. Thank you so much. The translate across transaction chain while the shielding your personal data. तो आगे चलते हैं, आपको वेबसाइट दिखा रहा हूं दोस्तों NAM की. So once again you see Amina. Thank you so much, Amina. And the shield assets. Gain privacy of your assets and get reward. Hit in the shield button. Context your extra wallet, choose the assets and the amount head shed. Thank you. The stake name, NAM name. Stake name and get reward while the helping source Lambda proof of staking system. They govern board and help govern the Lambda protocol process future. आपका शुक्रिया दोस्तों। तो आप देख सकते हैं एक बार फिर से Lambda का शील्ड एक्सपेंशन और ये Lambda रोड मैप आपके सामने है। आप रोड मैप देख सकते हैं Lambda का, Lambda नैम। थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन। नाउ गेट इन वॉलेट और आपके सामने ये है X, ज्वाइन द कम्युनिटी x.com, डिस्कॉर्ड, टेलीग्राम एंड फोरम। द नेक्स्ट वन आई टेल यू हियर, द विजिट आइडेंटिकट एंड इकोसिस्टम डेवलपमेंट एंड ऑपरेट ऑन Lambda। तो ये आपके सामने मुख्तलिफ ग्राफ्स हैं। थैंक यू अनीमा A99 एंड निजिश कन्यूट टू ड्रैगन किंग। थैंक यू द बिगनर वंस अगेन, थैंक यू, आपका शुक्रिया। तो वेबसाइट के ऊपर मौजूद है, आप देख सकते हैं होम प्रेस एंड डिस्कॉर्ड एंड ब्लॉग, यूट्यूब, रोड मैप। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय डियर लवली फ्रेंड, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया। तो आप ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट देख रहे हैं NAM की और मैं आपको तमाम तर इसी की डिटेल के बारे में बता रहा हूं। थैंक यू आरिफ खान, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया आरिफ ज्वाइन करने के लिए। अभी हम चलते हैं आगे और आपको दिखाते हैं डिस्कवर। तो देख सकते हैं डिस्कवर कॉम्पेसेबल प्राइवेसी लेयर। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। थैंक यू सो मच डियर फ्रेंड। द डिस्कवर के ऊपर आप देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू सो फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय डियर फ्रेंड। दिस इज द डिस्कवर and unfade shield set, get rewarding shield action, IBC in interoperability, staking and governance। थैंक यू, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया दोस्तों ज्वाइन करने के लिए। तो आगे की तरफ ले चलता हूं आपको और आप देख सकते हैं डिस्कवर के ऊपर हम मौजूद थे। थैंक यू डिस्कवर। द नेक्स्ट वन, प्लेइंग लेफ्टर ऑफ Web3 इंजीनियर यूजर टू प्रोटेक्ट देयर पर्सनल डाटा। ये तो हो चुका है। थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग डियर फ्रेंड, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया। और आगे की जानिब आपको ले चलते हैं दोबारा से। डिस्कवर के बाद है शील्ड एक्शन, IBC इंटरप्रेटिव, स्टेकिंग एंड गवर्नेंस। द नेक्स्ट कम्युनिटी x.com, discovered Lambda community and shield। Thank you the developers। The run fall need become a validator step, a local network। Thank you। And the learn blog talks and Lambda help roadmap। थैंक यू, आपका शुक्रिया दोस्तों ज्वाइन करने के लिए। आपके सामने वेबसाइट पे हम बात कर रहे हैं एनएम की। लर्न ब्लॉग्स impress your sets cutting engine insert on the coverage of data rights and blockchain technology or talks keep absurd to the NAMDA event to task future subject matter expert. The NAMDA.help. View the tweet guide and FAQ on the using NAMDA and the roadmap, building the completable privacy layer for 3 Web3. Thank you again, Gate user Muzaffar and Sadat, Sara. Thank you. Destroy MI and the Amina and Sadat once again. Thank you for joining. Muzaffar Arif Khan. Tom 771. Hello, Tom Cruise. Thank you so much for joining. Tom Cruise. No Tim at Said said that 3434. Thank you so much. तो आगे चलते हैं दोस्तों। आपके सामने मौजूद है इस टाइम हमारी कम्युनिटी के ऊपर, हम लर्न के ऊपर बात कर रहे हैं। अभी हम आगे चलते हैं इकोसिस्टम। तो इकोसिस्टम आप देख सकते हैं आपके सामने मौजूद है इकोसिस्टम, और किस तरह से ये घूम घूम के हो रही है तैयार। जैसे वो कहते हैं घूम घूम के हुई तैयार, सबको आए इस पर प्यार। तो ये आपके सामने इकोसिस्टम घूम रहा है दोस्तों। डार्क बाइट, थैंक यू सो मच डार्क बाइट, आपका भी शुक्रिया, थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। तो ये ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट के ऊपर मौजूद हैं दोस्तों। आपके सामने हम बात कर रहे हैं ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट। अभी आपने देखी नेमडा की ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट, मैं आपको ले चला हूँ वापसी की जानिब। ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट के बाद हम चलते हैं इसके व्हाइट पेपर की जानिब। थैंक यू सो मच ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड। नाउ यू सी टुडे माय टॉपिक गेट लाइव नेम NAM प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू, और हम इसी पे बात कर रहे हैं। अभी आपको इसका व्हाइट पेपर की तरफ ले जाता हूँ। थैंक यू बाय फ्रेंड, थैंक यू सो मच क्लेम वंस अगेन फॉर ज्वाइनिंग, थैंक यू, आपका शुक्रिया क्लेम, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय डियर फ्रेंड। आपकी मैंने वेबसाइट सर्च की है, मजीद भी करूंगा इसके बाद। आप आ रहे हैं, बार बार सर्च कर रहे हैं, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग, थैंक यू। नाउ दिस इज द white paper of NAM about NAMDA. NAMDA is the data protection blockchain using zero knowledge proof technology. NAMDA's cryptographics future give us user and assets against multiple chain and data protect and the being the built by the Anoma Foundation. Thank you. Bangle, thank you. Crypto बंगला, थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो बंगला, आपका शुक्रिया। MI, थैंक यू सो मच। क्रिप्टो चैंपियन, थैंक यू सो मच। क्रिप्टो कंबाइन, थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो कंबाइन फॉर ज्वाइनिंग, थैंक यू सो मच डियर फ्रेंड। हेलो, हाउ आर यू माय डियर फ्रेंड। आपका बहुत खूबसूरत सा नाम है, जाना पहचाना सा नाम है, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया। क्रिप्टो कम्बोम, thank you for joining crypto, and the lonely, thank you so much for joining. Hello my dear friend, thank you and welcome to join my live stream my dear friend crypto combimbing, thank you so much, have a nice day and good to see you my dear friend, thank you for joining my lovely friend, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया, thank you, thank you so much, thank you so much. I am good my dear friend crypto combom, thank you so much, I am good. How about you dear friend, I hope you will be fine. Thank you for joining and thank you for comments. आपका बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ, आपने कमेंट्स किए। Okay, thank you. The next one I will tell you once again the about NAMDA, my dear friend. The NAMDA is a data protection blockchain using zero knowledge proof technology. NAMDA and cryptographics future give use assets Agnostics, multiple chain data protection, and being built by the Anoma Foundation. Thank you so much for joining. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया. Now the next one, I tell you, dear friend, for specific information describing how to assess the participation and current NAMDA maintain, please jump to the here. And key initiative, I tell you, my dear friend, key initiative of this NAMDA. Now the Zcash like shielded transfer for any assets fungible and the fungible reward to keep asset in the shielded set. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining once again, dear friend. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. तो अभी आगे चलते हैं दोस्तों और आपको बताता हूं ओवरव्यू ऑफ द फ्यूचर. The proof of stake with the governance to secure and enable NAMDA, the first facility BFT with 40 scans blocks, IB concession to chain that already speak IBC or some chains. Thank you. The multiple asset shielded proof MASP. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Now the convert critical shielded reward and the leader application for high level introduction remediation article introduction NAMDA multiple asset against the data protection and article what is the NAMDA talk and produced it. Thank you so much once again, आपका dear friend shukriya. The next one, the to learn more about the project we remain the following in following the depth resource NAMDA certification and code. Thank you once again, dear friend, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया. तो चलते हैं आगे की जानिब और about the documentation. Thank you once again. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया आरिफ खान and Fafo. Thank you Fafo and CJ. आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूं. दोस्तों चलते हैं about this documentation. Welcome to NAMDA documents. This book is intended for the any audience looking to user NAMDA operator full node of validator and developer name reporting bugs. Thank you. Reporting bugs. If you find any bugs along the journey, please report in the NAMDA respected for free. To also join the discovered and ask question the NAMDA channel. How to read this book. Thank you X1 and Gate user friend. Thank you so much. How to read this book. Here are some useful type of reading this book. Competent start with and this is the competent. Make sure you read them. Simple optimum start with an arrow. This is the explain command and 11 input useful for the component user defending input any black chain. This is the command you should run with your own input. Thank you. About is the documentation. Thank you so much. This book is written to the extra source and benefit the foundation NAMDA documents and a contribution to continue the structure of this book should made be well or request. Thank you. The next one I tell you, dear friend, the quick start. थैंक यू. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया दोस्तों ज्वाइन करने के लिए. गेट यूजर X1 MI थैंक यू. मुजफ्फर रहमानी आपका एक बार फिर से बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूं आपने ज्वाइन किया. द बंगला थैंक यू शोबच बंगला. एंड नाउ द क्विक स्टार. आपका बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूं दोस्तों. गेटिंग स्टार्ट विद NAMDA. Getting started with NAMDA as simple as, thank you, is as simple as Intel NAMDA. Intel the NAMDA various NAMDA and please they in your page. Thank you so much for joining. You can build source or download product from the release page of the NAMDA gateway to dinner impact are also available. Thank you so much for joining. Shopping call and crypto princess. Thank you so joining for joining crypto princess. Hello dear, how are you? आपका शुक्रिया आपने दोबारा से मुझे ज्वाइन किया. Thank you for joining. And she phone tax. Thank you so much. You can build from the source or download Rabbit barrier for the release page of the NAMDA guide. Dogner image also available. And the next one, install the COM and BFT. Thank you. And the next one, install combat. NAMDA required the complete 3.7.15 for the concisive Intel combined place. It's your path. Thank you so much, Saklan Sardar, the Dark Bite. Thank you. Join the network. See the network page for detail on how to join network. Join the network is one step process to the download. The paper against file was the code and the checker system and the initialization. You need strong and configuration. You can join the front or so much. You will need to the know and the chain ID of the network you wish to the you join the as well as non-validator not running. Thank you so much, Dark Bite and Canon. Thank you so much. The next one, dear friend, I tell you the navally initialized chain data will be found on your base discovery. See the list of utilized command. Thank you once again. वालेकुम सलाम क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस, आपको भी बहुत बहुत सलाम हो, आप पर भी सलामती हो. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस एंड क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस क्रिप्टो बिरयानी. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. I am good. How was you? I am good. Also good, crypto princess. I am good. And thank you for joining once again. आपका शुक्रिया. क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस ने आग जला दी है. Have a nice day. आज तो वैसे ही आग बरस रही है. Same to you, dear. आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए एक बार फिर से बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you so much. So my dear friend, now you see today my topic Gate Live NM project review. Once again I tell you the next project. तो आगे की तरफ चलते हैं. Run and leader node. Thank you. You can start your node with and you node will the begin saying with the chain for a more variables outman the run. Thank you so much. The next one, to keep your node running in background after the closing your terminal, you will want to the use their extreme by the system service file. See the section of running a full node for more detail on this as well as configuration option and the environment variable. Thank you so much once again. Mi, thank you so much. Moru and the Shahin, thank you so much. And thank you crypto princess once again for your comments. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया कमेंट्स करने के लिए. तो जुड़े रहिएगा मेरे साथ दोस्तों. आगे की तरफ चलते हैं. द शाइन द मेडके. थैंक यू मेडके एंड गेट यूजर. Inside of the signing on you node can be public PC for most functionality, but for your node phishing signing this can take several hourly depending on the chain height and your system space. Create an account. The next one, I created an account. Create a new implement account in the order to the reserve tokens. The next one, this will generate a new account stored in the definite keychain. You can view the account address with. तो आप आगे देख सकते हैं किस तरह से अकाउंट बनेगा. देखिए सेम आपके सामने आ रहा है मौजूद. Get some token from the forked tension only. Check here for the list tension foundation. If your tent is not listed, ask in the discover server for the more information. Explorer. There is better to the cool thing you can do next. Now the shield some name of the tokens. Bond delete some token to validator. Become a validator yourself. The participation in governance by the creating or voting to proposal. Send a service token from the another chain via IBC. Thank you, Tom. Tom Cruise, thank you. The Mithan, thank you so much, Mithan, for joining Mitton. Thank you so much. The next one, dear friend. The next I tell you the installing Lambda. Thank you. Installing Lambda. While we draw the barriers are available, we recommendation using the listing of MACOS with the Lambda. Listing Lambda. Lambda is the installing thought the following method. Forum source, forum barriers, and forum Docker image. Thank you. The next, the hardware requirement for the installing and the running Lambda full need can be found here. तो सोर्स की तरफ चलते हैं और सोर्स के ऊपर नजर डाल देते हैं. थैंक यू, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया दोस्तों. नाउ द इंस्टॉल फ्रॉम सोर्स. थैंक यू शाहीन MI जलालुद्दीन रहमानी, थैंक यू, आपका भी शुक्रिया. Now once again, please note that the all right installing from the source the recommended route for the fostering Lambda is can provide too difficult and the no recommendation of barrier for the first time installation. This installation process can take up an 1 hour. Building barrier from the source can also take a long time depending on the mention. Thank you, MI. The Mithanul Islam, thank you, border on care, thank you so much. Now the pre-requests. Ensure the contract pre-requested have been downloading and installing Lambda. Once all the requirement dependent have installing, you can run following to color to the source calendar of the Lambda and the build it. Thank you once again, dear friend. Now you see, once again, today my topic Gate Live NEM project review. I'll tell you detail of this project, and in this time I'll tell you the white paper. Now next one, when joining the maintain or the public tenant, please first refer the network supporting documentation for the ask is discover server for the fund which visit of software you will need. तो आप देख सकते हैं आगे इसका तरीका आपके सामने मौजूद है. आप देख सकते हैं the editing barriers and barriers to path. Thank you once again, Jalaluddin and Sita Xwin. Thank you, Xwin, the CAD user. Thank you so much. The barrier should edit to the path from the make install command. However, if this for some reason did not work, solution may be copy of the barrier for using the barrier. Now the using barrier. See the page on using barrier for more information. Troubleshooting. Please the troubleshooting page of the building for source for more information. तो आगे चलते हैं प्री रिक्वेस्ट्स की जानिब. थैंक यू सो मच, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया दोस्तों. तो प्री रिक्वेस्ट्स के ऊपर मौजूद हैं हम. if you do like to install Lambda from source, you will have installed some dependent first. REST, GET, client, option and levels. First the REST. Thank you Sitarani, thank you Logo and the Mero and the Mithan once again. The Chief, thank you Chief साहब, बहुत दिनों के बाद आपने ज्वाइन किया है Chief साहब, thank you. Roost, RUST, Roost. At the end of the installation, make sure you the cargo bin directory and charge on the available on the youth path environment validator. You can adhere restart your shell on run to the continue. Thank you the Rashidullah. Thank you Rashidullah. Thank you so much Rashid. Now if you already have Rust installed, make you using the latest version by the running and round remaining dependency. The next one, dear friend, this is the install the remaining dependency ubmux 2.x running. Following the command should install everything needed. तो ये नीचे कमांड्स आ रही हैं, आप इन कमांड्स को बखूबी दोस्तों देख सकते हैं. Thank you. The protocol is also required or MAC you can install with the home age. Thank you once again. The next one I tell you, dear friend. The troubleshooting installation from source. The troubleshooting installation for the source. Not engage RAM यानी कि RAM. Thank you Rashidullah, Gate user, MI Darkbite, MI Jalaluddin and Sita. Once again for joining. Thank you so much both friend. आप दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. तो आगे चलते हैं. Not engage RAM. The building barriers locally is the computation heavy task and will your computer to the test the compilation user requirement at last 16 GB RAM and depending on the optimization of your main chain could require certification more some main chain side list for the reason competition can something fail the error. तो आगे आप देख सकते हैं दोबारा से दोस्त. The next one I tell you once again is command error then the sometime means your computer out of money will out of memory with computation to reload it the closing and the application are remaining once reward the overview more RAM will be base needed. Thank you happy Moro. Thank you. The complaining of the first time. The completion errors due to the missing liberty installation of the building to barriers for the first time can be compore problem like linker CC not found if one runs into the error. तो ये error आ सकता है. आप देख सकते हैं आपके सामने ये भी मौजूद है. It is may be resolved by running another solution to sometime by installing one thing. This is the can be above. And VSM now to unlock and other issue the compliance run into the it computer. The next one. Thank you. This is the issue by resolved running. The upsell if you run into the error. Thank you once again. Happy Saab and Shu High. Thank you. Mad Guy. Thank you. B contract but not affair. Thank you. आपका भी बेहद शुक्रिया. तो आगे चलते हैं दोस्तों. You need install to development package option of the umbrella. This is the for founder. This is the option for the distribution. Please for to option website. The next for obtained. That's the campaign thought. The next one in install from the Benarius pre-requesting. The following pre-requested are needed used to the peace competition barrier. They are COM, BFT and GUBC. Downloading the Benarius. After studying the proportion, you will download the last barrier from the release by the choosing and the opportunity activator. The blow will be downloading all the barrier of the last release for the sport operating system. Older version in the barrier are available from the code to see the and see to the globe page unzip using the following command. The next one, the placing and the barrier into the faith. For enable and the mention, the following command should work to the planning named and other friend. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much. मेरे दोस्त आपका ज्वाइन करने का बेहद शुक्रिया. Thank you. MI, thank you. Musbullah, thank you. Misbullah, thank you. I think the next one, the placing the banyan into the page. For unbeat and meditation following combination should work placing named up barriers into your space. Once is inside there, continue to the barrier. Thank you for joining once again, dear friend. आपका शुक्रिया. Using the banner. Thank you so much, Remadabadu. Yabadabadu. Thank you for joining. The next one, using the banners. Once the installed, you should have the following banners. Now barriers एंड डिस्क्रिप्शन। ये उनके नाम लिखे हुए हैं दोस्तों, आप देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू एम आई सीता। और द मेन बैरियर नेम्डा हैज सब कमांड फॉर ऑल द अदर बैरियर, therefore the following command activity. Thank you. Now the explorer the connect, in fact the help again based on any two sub command level to fund two possible sub command and arrangement. Thank you once again. The next one, I tell friends, installing combat BFT, installing GLIBC. Follow these introduction in the order to step: combat BFT, installing GLBC. Final, you should GLB on higher. MAC, the system providing global should be recent, and U button 22.4 global installed by the defend, and you don't have to dynamite anymore. The next one, my dear friend, thank you for joining. अब दोस्तों की ज्वाइनिंग का बेहद शुक्रिया दोस्तों, बने रहिए मेरे साथ, दोस्त रहिएगा मेरे साथ। थैंक यू। द नेक्स्ट वन डियर फ्रेंड, अपटन 18.04 एंड अपटन 20.04। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय डियर फ्रेंड, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया एक बार फिर से ज्वाइन करने का। द नेक्स्ट वन, नेमडा with recommendation install to upgrade to the Upton 22.04 instead of updoing Globic the requirement version, since the latter way can be messy and the traditional task. In case upgrading Globing would the interest you, website give your step of the building package from the source. थैंक यू गेट यूजर फ्रेंड, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया। तो आगे चलते हैं डॉक्सर की जानिब। running Lambda with the Docker pre-requested. In the order to the Docker image, your must 5 have Docker installed. You can find installation structure for your machine. Downloading the Docker image. Thank you Sita Darkbite. Thank you so much Sita and Darkbite, the kid user, the visitor. Thank you Hidayat, आपका भी शुक्रिया। Good luck. Thank you so much. Good luck 13. Thank you for joining. Now the next one, downloading the Docker image. And the Hidayat MI, thank you. Lambda, Amazon, the favor version and the foundation Lambda contributed registration of GitHub. Under the tag tab, you can find the last version of Docker image. Click on the like for the correct version of the Lambda that you are trying install. For example, of you are doing the install Lambda 0.390 and 390 you would click to the like for. Thank you so much MI Hidayat the Kaisi for. Thank you so much once again. The next one, running the Docker image. Once you have the download Docker image, it will useful the export something environment variables. You can run commands in the Docker consumed for the following method. Where is any command you would run after in the terminal of example of you wanted to the run, and you would run. Thank you so much. और आगे आप देख सकते हैं representing data with the Docker volume. Thank you once again, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया दोस्तों ज्वाइन करने के। If you try to run about the example using the join network command, you would notice the while that the command runs successfully, you have no why to make use of chain data after the command completes, and the center exact as excitation inside how create. You can press the chain data using Docker volume and watch beyond the directly on your host main chase directory inside the consents filter the volume 6 and follow. Thank you so much once again the Sita Gate user Smart Girl. Thank you Drop Tom 77 and Lilo. Thank you so much Lilo, आपका भी शुक्रिया Lilo. The next one, the example joining the network with a full node. There are many possible ways to working with Docker construction and volume depending on your need and system step. Here is the example how it could be done. Create directive on your edge directory your host OS. The directory can be locked anywhere you like. Will use the default location. Thank you. The next one, set direction permission. The newly created directory will be owned by on a current user on the host OS. Unlock set the operator permission of the direction of the host OS. Lambda control will not able to void it. Thank you, Lilo and Trust. Thank you, Saklan Sardar. Thank you. When you can command inside the create using of Lambda Docker image, it will be run under the user made with user ID. Convert this we can the permission on our discrepancy property the command any required. Thank you. Now the join the network. Thank you so much for joining. Now we can run to the join network command while including the file to create a new volume. We will map the best inside the corner of dispensary and we recorded the step 1 and 2. This will allow the percent BR4S. Thank you, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया शाहीन and great user friend. Thank you so much for joining. Now edit. Since the next one, the sense we appear the chain to direct on the host flies can be accessed directly inside. So need update permission before the starting the launch. We can do so an editing file. Note to owner of this file is Lambda user inside the carrier. Therefore, accessing the file from you host in the way my requirements you use to shadow to option necessary right time filing. Thank you so much, the Creto and Gate user once again. Thank you so much. Start the ledger. We can new start the constitution using on the chain data by the passing volume to the doxer. Now the building the doxer image. Automatic you can building to the image yourself. Building the expensing some environment variable. Thank you can build on doxer image by the running. And so note, did not forget the drilling. If the value of the branch the above command and we build image near lambda 39.0, you can replace image name lambda branch with any time you like. Thank you. आपका शुक्रिया दोस्तों. The installing combat and doling the last release. Thank you. Gate user Proto and other gate user friend. Thank you so much for joining. Now the installing combat BFT. In addition to the NADM barrier, it is the required to install combat BFT before running Lambda. Downloading the latest release. Lambda is the compatible with the combat release 37.15. You can download the promoted Lambda barrier for the official gift GitHub. Receive the download B03715 for the new Lambda. Here, while never version may be available on their release version, they have been to the fully completed and should not based on Lambda. Thank you. At the end, next one, the editing the com BFT barrier to SP. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion, for joining. आपका इंतज़ार था. शुक्रिया आपका ज्वाइन करने का और मैसेज करने का. आपका बहुत शुक्रिया दोस्तों. बिल्कुल आपने सही कहा. हैप्पी गर्मी दोस्तों. तो आपको हैप्पी गर्मी. थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग and thank you for comments, Crypto Champion. Thank you for the gift once again. Send me. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion. आपकी तरफ से एक और प्यारा सा गिफ्ट आया. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया Crypto Champion. आप आते हैं और रौनक लगाते हैं और साथ में गिफ्ट भी देते हैं. गुड टू सी यू Crypto Champion. The Dharma Singh, thank you so much Dharma Singh once again for joining. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया Dharma Singh, Dharma सेना. आपका बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ. आप हमेशा ज्वाइन करते पर मैसेज नहीं करते. मैसेज भी क्या करें दोस्त आप. धर्मा सिंह, थैंक यू सो फॉर. आई एम गुड माय डियर फ्रेंड Crypto Champion. हाउ अबाउट यू? द नेक्स्ट वन, editing and the SPA. If you have go to install and download, you may wanted to add combat barrier onto your spare. Discover the combat by running for the following command in the root direct of the repository. Otherwise, we reminded you simple copy it to join user local bin, which may require some permission. थैंक यू, बहुत शुक्रिया आपका ज्वाइन करने के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच. A11, thank you. The SDO, thank you. The SDO. And in order of the check that the installation was successfully, you can run following command, which should output something like privacy and opsys. The next one, dear friend. Thank you. The shielding. Thank you so much, shielding. Jalaluddin Rahmani, thank you. Lambda provide the largest possible unfaded shielded are in multiple computation of the chain by setting notification, data protection, and Viva shelter action. Lambda creates single assets and goes to the scheduled pool for any token, public or non-public token. The Lambda can also data operate to user we want to the asset or going from the base chain to the other chain without losing data protection. Lambda return for the return protection to the asset that was required and already used transmission. Thank you so much. The Surfer Master, thank you. The next one. The user should be aware the can still exploitation personal. बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं है. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं है, हमारे पास टाइम है. थैंक यू मिस्टर मिराज. थैंक यू मिराज. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग मिराज. नाउ यूजर शुड अवेयर द एक्सपॉन्स पोटेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन with transaction into the out of Lambda via IBC. For the example, user bring byte from the Ethereum may able to focus their on identification to someone observed by the invocation with smart contract base of sharding protocols and centralization exchange. However, user transaction no fungible token to liquid token. The release on price discover on chain like information by the nature of their result holding. This is the true of token and transaction into the out of Lambda via IBC. Once inside the sharded set, a user can perform sharded actions such the trading cross chain map. Thank you so much, Lilo MI. The sharded action not limited to application chain that are IBC computation if work any chain that it is the contact Lambda, e.g. Ethereum, and action of generalization to interact with any adopt such the trading NFT as staking ETH and the being only sharded action available in cross the chain transfer. Thank you so much for joining. The best preset of leaking sensitive data including. Thank you so much for your comments, Crypto Champion. Thank you so much. आपका शुक्रिया, आपने अच्छे रिमार्क्स दिए मुझे, आपका शुक्रगुजार हूँ. Thanks so much for joining. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया दोस्तों. आप best participation of leaking sensitive data included. The building a high liquidity generation token is the MAS and the ones and the MSP performing sharding action to the requirement revelation token. Thank you. Use the different public addresses to bring fund into the Lambda, then use to acceptation. Thank you so much for joining. आप दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. तो आप देख रहे हैं आज का मेरा टॉपिक गेड लाइफ NAM प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू के ऊपर हम बात कर रहे हैं. तो आप दोस्त मेरे साथ जुड़े रहिएगा, बने रहिएगा मेरे साथ. आपका बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ ज्वाइन करने के लिए. थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय डियर फ्रेंड. Now the next one, used to the borrower to the protect personal privacy, collection user location and use from the anyone profiting network. The surveillance on or the traffic analyze. Use a VPN. A VPN can make your IP address encrypt your interest and make using from the anyone protected sourceless traffic analyze. Use VPN as make IP address encrypt your internet connection and make your browsing active more anyone. Thank you so much for joining Crypto Champion and other friend. Thank you for joining and thank you for your beautiful comments, my dear friend Crypto Champion. The next one, the security and bring reporting. Thank you so much. If you discover security validator to potential security validation in the project, please let us know as soon as possible. Sending email security book bindings. The current book bindings named is disabled for the bit binding paid on NAM. Thank you once again. The using public RPC. Thank you. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया दोस्तों. Claim once again for thank you. आपका भी शुक्रिया. तो दोस्त मैं अपनी स्ट्रीम खत्म करने के बाद ज्वाइन करता हूँ आपके लिंक को. थैंक यू for giving me link. Claim. Thank you. The mate. Thank you so much for joining. Now using a public RPC. Shukriya. Insert of sanctification and obtain your own to the interact with the network boss functionality of the Lambda. Thank you, great user friend. Lambda such of the communication can be using useful node to operate someone while when the nodes and provide the public case. You command collected the public RPC and granted for the affection. When using the R and RPC node that is not on your first verification, the operator can be trusted and that the node is up to the data with the rest of chain. The using the node flag. Thank you so much, Tom. Thank you. These instruction assist you have already completed the step. Install Navda join work from the inside proceeding start the leadership certification node with the rest of the chain. You can name Navda to interact by the network using the net flag and providing the address of the public RPC node. For example, to acquire balance of an account using public RPC you are run. The next one, in fact the foundation different from the normal use of Lambda expand the normal ARCP address of the list, separating your own local node impact. Now the protocol. Introduction to Lambda protocol. The Lambda protocol is proof of stake one blockchain protocol state transaction governance by the validator product all result of protocol defend protocol permanent. The following section discover the key permission and the concept and how to carry them. Thank you once again. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए तमाम गेट यूजर फ्रेंडों का. Thank you so much for joining. The Epochus. Thank you so much, Epochus. The system release on the concept of Epochus. The Epochus range of the constitutive identification constitute the number each post the minimum deposition including the minimum number of the blocks since bringing the last epoch to a different protocol permanent to quiet to watch dependent permanent following the command. The next one, the protocol parameters. Thank you so much, Ditoba and other friend. Please follow कीजिएगा और reward लीजिएगा. All of the current protocol permanents be coined using the following command. और आगे आपके सामने ये मौजूद है दोस्तों. This will display the list of protocol permit EG और ये लिस्ट आप देख सकते हैं दोस्तों. थैंक यू. आगे चलते हैं. गवर्नेंस पैरामीटर्स. थैंक यू. गवर्नेंस पैरामीटर. The main proposal fund the minimum amount of the native token required to submit proposal max personal code size the maximum size of the code that submit in the proposal. The main proposal waiting period the minimum duration approach in the waiting of the promotion proposed. The max purport period to maximum duration impacts of the personal proposed the max proposal citizen size the maximum order. The number of character, the number of order can be submit in the proposal. The next one, main proposal graph ensure the minimum number of the each between the end of proposal posting. Thank you once again the gate user the Kung Fu Jalaluddin. Thank you so much. Please follow कीजिएगा, reward लीजिएगा दोस्तों. Thank you. The proposal period is definite the time between the each and the posting being start post and the epoch when proposal code bid extra action action. The epoch activation epoch the any change extension by the posting proposal for the example cheating the proposal and will take effect at the beginning of the action info. Thank you, Reporto and other friends. Please follow pick the reward. The public goods funding parliament parameters. Thank you. The verification, the inflection added for the public guide funding and the parameter of the new making allowed to the PGF trustly announcedly software invitation rate the annual inflection of the account. Thank you. The precision of newly method, the foundation and PGF swide the switch rewind. PGF minimize this inflection amount intended each reward. And the maximum number of set words the maximum number of PGF. Soft allowed to give time. Thank you. The protocol parameters. Next one. Finally, I tell you, dear friend. Now you see Gate Live name project review. I tell you the total detail of this project and now in this time the protocol parameter. Thank you once again. Main each duration the minimum number of second approach. Number point number one approach per your confront of your approach in the air. Main number of flags the minimum number of blocks per each. Map each in the multiple the number of speech MASP each with the shared word. Inflection. The VIP allows this the application department was and also website and can be invoked in the transaction. The transaction allows the last transaction there were here for delay of the can be unlocked. Thank you so much for joining my dear friend. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. हम NAM पर बात कर रहे हैं. आप देख सकते हैं मेरा आज का टॉपिक गेट लाइव NAM प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू के ऊपर हम बात कर रहे हैं. थैंक यू वंस अगेन ज्वाइनिंग. आप दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूं जिन्होंने मुझे ज्वाइन किया एक बार फिर से. और हम आगे की तरफ चलते हैं दोस्तों. आपको मज़ीद डिटेल शेयर करते हैं आप दोस्तों के साथ. थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय लवली फ्रेंड. थैंक यू सो मच. द नेक्स्ट वन, Max Black takes the maximum amount of the there was here to the website can be involved the transaction. Now the fee using depositing in the minimum number of the charter can be including to the discretion of fee including. Now POS parameters. Thank you. This is the once again POS parameter my dear friend. Thank you for joining. The maximum inflection of the maximum annual inflection rate, the target ratio to the of total staking token or total supply, the inflection KP gain, the MAC protection gain of PD control. Inflection KD given to KD second again for the inflection of parameter vote per raw token, the number of vote. Thank you so much. So my dear friend, now this is the white paper of this project. So next move forward once again. The unlock look 100% unlock gate launch pool allows user to stake early. You can stake your asset before the project official launch, ensuring you start earning reward immediately once mining being. The reward distribution. The system will distribute token reward to user spot account every hour based on the proportion of asset stake each user. And now the newcomers exclusive staking pool. Only new user wise sign up after June 15, 2025 and 00 UTC. Now how to participation log into gate account, complete identity verification, native launch pool, hold at last 0.1 GT and 0.1 USD, 0.5 NAM click stake, exclusive limit privilege for VIP. VIP 5 and above enjoy the exclusive staking limits when participation in launch pool with up to 500 staking limit bonus. तो ये आपके सामने मौजूद है वीआईपी लेवल के हवाले से. नो प्रोजेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन. आई टेल यू द प्रोजेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन provided by the NAMDA NAM team. Please follow the NAMDA NAM website for more detail. अभी मैंने आपको बताया उसके बारे में. Introduction. NAMDA, the comprehensive privacy lawyer of the multiple chain. It is a proof of stake layer blockchain in the protect user personal cat by the providing single asset you enable should cross scan and transaction. NAMDA is scalable supporting set can be the used of protection to the exchange chain adopts token and NFT. Thank you. The primarily pulled and the NAMDA use concept to the IBC inter-blockchain comprehension protocol for the multi-chain interoperability, but by the upgrade to support additionally ecosystem beyond IBC by the living age advanced comprehensive standard like ZSNARK and the potential of interoperability. NAMDA position itself a useful cryptograph providing user to probe to the chain data while the integrated with the visitor of blockchain and the protocol. The token name NAMDA, token symbol NAM, to maximum supply 100000000. Token type mainnet network token. Token ID आपके सामने मौजूद है. Token distribution unlock rules and backers of the ANMA Foundation 32.0365%. Early core contribute 18.7987. The protocol maintain RD ecosystem community development 170000000%. Public allocation complete. RPGF program 16.1108% and public allocation future RGF program 16.0540%. वेबसाइट आपके सामने अभी बताई है मैंने और व्हाइट पेपर भी आपको बताया. गेट लाइव इन्वेस्टमेंट डिस्क्लोजर. गेट लाइव डिड नॉट इन्वेस्ट इन द NAMDA NAM. थैंक यू, आपका शुक्रिया. नोट. The Gate launch pool is an initiative staking airdrop platform while the user staking GT, BTC, ETH, USD or other token to earn hourly airdrop hot and new coins. With the low entry barriers and high APR is the ultimate platform offering competitive market opportunity. Please complete identity verification before participation launch pool. Ensure the security of your account asset. Number 3, please adhere to relevant rules of their event when the participation, any cheating behavior, vulnerability and the encroaching of any dishonesty with the result is disqualification the reward. Now number 4, where in the description areas between the translated version and the English original version. The English version shall prevail. Number 5, Gate reserve all right of final explanation. Number 6, this event is not affiliate Apple link. The user United Kingdom and the other registered location cannot access to service including the participation in event, game or competition. See the user agreement for the future detail on the registered location. Now the next one, the risk reminding. Thank you so much, all dear friend. The project team does not guarantee to token price will be not lower than its sale price. Please inside with the cute. You don't invest beyond your financial capacity. The crypto project is still in the initial stage factor including the operation and underlying technology of the project and other related regulatory activity might contribute to scientific risk. Number 3, advanced technical and financial knowledge is required to understand and evaluate to the inherent risk of crypto asset investment. The market valuation high, the price of token might influencing the protein due to the technical and making factor. User may not able to withdraw all the purchase token due to the technical issue for the project or Gate team June 17, 2025. Gateway to crypto. Trade over 36 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly and easily on Gate.io. Take action, sign up and claim up to 10,000 welcome reward. Invite friend and earn 40% commission. Stay on set. Visit Gate official website. Download the Gate app desktop. Follow us on Gate X Twitter to get more business. Join our Telegram community to discuss trading topic. Engage with global community for the incense, transparency and security. check our 100% proof of reserve. थैंक यू सो मच डियर फ्रेंड। तो ये था हमारा आज का प्रोजेक्ट जिसके ऊपर मैंने आपको बात की है और तमाम तर डिटेल के साथ मैंने आपको बताया। इसकी वेबसाइट भी आपको शेयर की है, वेबसाइट भी दिखाई है, और इसके अलावा जो वाइट पेपर था और दीगर जो मालूमात थी तमाम तर आप दोस्तों के साथ मैंने शेयर की है। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय डियर फ्रेंड Tuba, MI, सीता, क्रिप्टो चैंपियन, क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस एंड क्रिप्टो कॉम्बैनिंग, और तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ जिन्होंने मुझे ज्वाइन किया। तो इंशाल्लाह आपसे बहुत जल्द दोबारा हम मुलाकात करेंगे एक नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ। इंशाल्लाह आपसे मुलाकात होगी, तो बने रहिएगा मेरे साथ एक बार फिर से। तो तमाम दोस्तों को फिर एक बार से गुजारिश है कि अपनी दुआ में याद रखिएगा और अपना बहुत ज़्यादा ख्याल कीजिएगा। तब तक दीजिएगा इजाज़त मुझे। अल्लाह हाफिज़, इंशाल्लाह फिर मिलेंगे, एंड गुड बाय। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग।